Okay, so the first app on our list is called ClipDrop. This is an AI based application which is magical. Okay, so how this basically works is that it takes the photo of any object you want and it crops out the entire background extremely perfectly. I'll show you how this works. Let's say I have this bottle of sanitizer with me and I want to take a photo of it. If I press clip, it magically removes the entire background and only the sanitizer comes out as the only photo. I mean, this app works great and it's really magical and it's pretty accurate as well. The next app on our list is called this Fluid Simulation, which is one of the most unique wallpaper apps I've ever come across. Essentially, this is an animation app in which you could just move your finger around the screen and play with these really cool looking animations or waves, which are really colorful, they're really vibrant, and really nice. Not just that, you could also configure with a whole range of settings, ranging from the colors to the brightness or the viscosity of the animations, and there are a lot of features which you can unlock even after buying the premium version as well. You could change it and you could basically play around with this for as long as you want. Not just that, you could also set this as your wallpaper. Yes, this cool looking animation as your wallpaper. And then when you go back to your home screen, you have this black wallpaper which does magic when you move your fingers around it. This is a really cool app and it's a really attractive wallpaper as well. Before you leave, if you're watching this, I request you all to stay till the very end because there is this one app which I want to show you, which I'm sure will blow all your minds away. So again, watch till the very end. I assure you it will be worth it. It's a humble request. The third app on our list is called Anime Fox, and this is for all of you anime fans out there. So this app basically has the entire collection of all the anime shows and movies ranging from different genres to even different categories, whatever you want. And the UI here is extremely similar to that of Netflix. It's really systematic and organized. You could search for your favorite shows and this list just keeps going on and on. So this is one anime I've been watching currently, and as you can see, the entire list of all the episodes are there. And not just that, all the episodes are in HD quality and they're organized as well. So if you listen to songs on Spotify, you would have experienced this issue of too many ads getting played in between the songs, which really gets irritating. So this app called Mutify solves the problem by muting all of the ads that play in between. So how this works is you first go into Spotify, into your settings, and switch on an option known as device broadcast status. Once you turn that on, this app runs in the background and it mutes all of the ads that play on Spotify. And this works pretty accurately. So you don't need to hear those irritating advertisements that play in between the good songs and you're good to go. So this next app is called Blur Camera, which is a basic photo editing app which basically gives your photos a really good background blur effect. So as you open this app, you select any photo of your choice and this app initially blurs the entire photo out. So all you have to do is swipe across the subject of your image, and in this case it is the watch. So you just swipe across and it basically unblurs whatever you're swiping on. So this app kind of gives your images that depth of field effect. In case your phone does not have a good camera, this is a really go-to photo editing app. Not just that, you can also adjust the amount of blurriness you want and other settings as well. So this next app is called Moises and it is an AI based music editing app. So it's a really cool app, and how this works is first you import a song into the app via a URL or any song which is in your phone's files. Once you do that, you could select an option that is the 2-track separation or the 4-track separation or the other premium features which you need to buy separately, otherwise the app is completely free. Once you do that, upload the entire song and the app downloads the song for you so that you can work on it later, and the app actually works pretty magically. So this is where you actually perform all of the magic. So in the song you could control the vocals or the instrumentals. You could either mute them completely or increase them to a maximum volume. Here is a quick demo on how this app works.
all up from me, sitting in the passenger side of me. Baby girl, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. I think about you all the time and see it in my dream.
A really fun app which you should try and install, and the more you play with it, the more you're gonna realize how powerful it is. The last app on our list is called MyHeritage, and this is an AI based app which somehow converts your normal photos into real life animations. I don't know how they came up with this concept, but it works wonders. So, first you upload your photo into the app. Now, let's say I have this photo of a person who is no longer with us, and now if I press the animator option on the top left corner, the app somehow puts in this magical animation which converts the photo into a real life moving image. And if you look, the animations are so clear and are so realistic. You could try this with someone's photo whom you really miss and bring them back virtually, which is really cool. So that is pretty much it for this video. This was a list of apps that I really wanted to show because I found them so fascinating. So until next time, goodbye.